I really think back and realize, like, why did I hesitate? Because it was such a great opportunity.
I didn't know what I was going to do. I was thinking maybe like arts, maybe like photography or something like that. My development teacher, she actually recommended precision machining.
So we just got a 3D printer and a laser cutter in our lab. We're working on setting those up and starting to get our hands into these 3D printers.
I decided that welding is gonna set up the most branches for me.
I'm running like CNC or manual lathes and mills.
So I've made a skateboard, I've made houses, little model houses.
The instructor's always there, so if you have any questions or anything, you can just stop. You can ask anything that you need to.
I'm gonna graduate probably with a job. It's gonna be nice. Like, I'm gonna be set up for a lot of things outside of high school.
I did get my OSHA certification last year. We also learned certifications for drone pilots, so if I would like to, I could go take my drone pilot license.
It's made me more professional. I've gotten used to, uniform and all that, and it's given me all the skills in the actual field I want to go into.
Ultimately, you're gonna find more people like you. You're gonna find better opportunities.
I feel like I'm ready for college or the workforce, whatever my future holds. So I'm just really glad I made the decision to come here.